What is the difference between the beige, red, and white scrubby pad? Well, with the beige and red scrubby pad, you can rub the oil into the wood, and with the white one, you remove the excess oil after a few minutes. The difference between the beige and the red is that the red, due to its slightly different structure, is better suited for rubbing oil into a rougher surface, such as deeply brushed wood or textured wood. We always definitely recommend applying the oil with a pad, as you can thoroughly push the oil into the wood better with a pad. Much better than with a brush. We also have the same type of pads in other sizes, in round format, in a small size for an eccentric hand sander, and in a large size for a floor polishing machine.